Manny, Pagan Travel. I am in Ceiba, Puerto Rico on the ferry to go to Culebra. Now, I've done this video a number of times, so we're not gonna do the same video. This time, we're gonna see what's the progress in Flamenco Beach, see how the construction is going, as we've been doing for the past couple of years, waiting for that to really fix up. Oh, check out the bay. We'll be going out through here and straight over there to the Spanish Virgin Island of Culebra. Okay guys, I am in Culebra, but I'm not going to give you an update on the situation because we got in here for free. We met two flight attendants who needed a ride to Flamenco Beach, and they are staying at these beautiful villas. So it's really nice. We have access to a shower there. And yeah, you can't beat it, guys. You can't beat it. So I don't have access to go inside. Obviously I'm not going to do that, but we do have amazing access to the beach here. So what I do recommend is staying here, so that way you have this. Check it out, guys. Gorgeous. And this is the best time of the year to come because it doesn't rain like that, and there's no seaweed or sargassum or anything here. It's just pristine and beautiful, and I love it. Hello. All right, the beautiful, legendary Flamenco Beach. Water's a little chilly, pero it's very nice. Oh, man. Oh man, look at this, crystal clear, beautiful water. Woo! Oh man, look at this, man. Oh.
The water is a little chilly than it normally is, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's the time of the year, you know, it's winter. This is winter in Puerto Rico, but this is, wow.
You get used to it fast. Like, you go in, it's cold, but...
There you go, you guys got some of that one. Oh man, que lindo, que lindo. Alright guys, had an amazing time in Flamenco. We were planning to go back to San Juan because we have an amazing festival here. It closes out Christmas, Puerto Rico Sanse Festival. But unfortunately our plans were completely ruined because we decided to come to Culebra without a return ticket. We just wanted to wing it out and see, because in the website it said there was about 60 tickets left in person. When we go and try, when we get here to Culebra, they were like, nope, we don't have anything for 5 and you can't buy it now. You have to come back around 4-ish. Come back at 4, they're like, yeah, it's completely sold out. We have one ticket for 9 p.m. 9 p.m. So we're like, wow, 9 p.m. So what are we gonna do? I bought that ticket just in case, and then they told me to come back at 8:30 to see if they can get me a second ticket. So I'm unfortunately going to miss sunset today, and that was not in the plan at all to miss sunset, but it is what it is. Okay, so we're stuck in Culebra right now, and we're really hoping to leave so that way we can stay at a Airbnb that we rented, and it's a beautiful one, and we're excited for it. But if we don't make it out of here, we're gonna have to find a place, and we don't have any transportation to get us there. So that's gonna be really rough unless we rent this till tomorrow. So I'll have to make some arrangements, but I'm praying that's not the case and we just get the ticket and we can go. But for now, we're just gonna look around and see what else is out here.
But hey, this is a nice kind of stuck. You know, we're stuck on a beautiful island.
We're literally stuck on a beautiful island, and
you know, we might have to help repopulate this island, baby.
Not me.